Hey guys, guess what? Today is a special video because I don't even know why I laughed. Cigarette in the car. Hold up, I was just doing something. I need to check something out. Look, watch this. I don't know, let me. Oh my golly. Let's watch another one. Okay, that wasn't even something that was wheezing. Oh, here it is. Oh my god. Hold up, wait. What's that?
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
Hold up, I think this is the moment where it goes black for a bit. Let's watch this one now.
Wheezing can be a normal, healthy response to an unhealthy environment.
I'm going to convince her to give me her real name. So, what's wrong? For some reason, I decided.
Oh!
Louis' head. Louis! You stanky leg!
Huh. Hold up, I saw something.
You look like Bobby from Lizard Lick! He's gonna think that there was an incident.
Wipe it. Wipe it. Oh my god. You guys may have heard me wheeze a lot like oh my god. Okay. I need to get myself some nitrogen or something that makes you laugh, because I want to laugh a lot like wheezing like it's like some of them even it's like that first one, it's like that second to first one, and then the number 2 one like oh my god. Alright guys, until next time. The videos were made possible by Tony DeSanto, and Jeff Immortal. So go subscribe to their order channels. They're the ones that made me laugh. Alright guys, until next time, make sure you buy Frank and Barry, you show Steeler, buy Cold Chocolate, you football, yummy mommy. Oh, how about trying my new cereal? Huh? It's brand new called Skillerons. Here, have a bowl. Skeleron? Ugh, tastes weird. What's it made out of? Made from 100% of my ribcage parts. For a completely balanced breakfast. Alright guys, until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. And let me know down in the comments what do you think I should do next this weekend. Alright guys, until next time, peace out.